Quick video walk around here of a Range Rover Sport HSE, new in at Prestige Cars Kent. This car is finished in Loire blue metallic and comes with the standard 21-inch alloy wheels. You've also got the silver trim on the lower front bumper, the lower rear bumper, and some of the centres of the grills around the car, as you can see here, all of these standard features. This car does come with the optional fixed panoramic roof and the privacy glass, as you can see here. Moving to the interior of the car now, you can see the full perforated leather seating in cream with the leather wrapped multi-function steering wheel you can see now. This car does come with fully electric seats and heated seats for the driver and the passenger, as well as memory settings. You've also got the climate control settings on the centre console, as well as the digital driver's display behind the steering wheel, as you can see here. This car also comes with DAB, Bluetooth adaptivity, front and rear parking sensors, and a reversing camera as its standard features. If you'd like any more information on this car, please do not hesitate to contact one of our sales team through the number at the end or inquire through our website.